Dr. Squibby, Western thing, got his briefcase and his PhD. He ain't got spurs, but he's got something to say. Dr. Squibby's a name and justice runs free. Well, he rode in from the east with a calculator on his hip and a pocket full of pencils sharp and true. When the outlaws see him coming, they just pack up and skip, 'cause there ain't no escaping what science can do. Dr. Squibby, sheriff of science, keeps the peace with brain, not gun. Dr. Squibby, nerdy defiance, when the thinking's said and done. He'll ride that dusty trail of justice with his lab coat flowing free. Dr. Squibby's in the saddle and he's got a PhD. From the sullen to the schoolhouse, when trouble's brewing hot, he'll calculate the odds and make his stand. With his glasses gleaming in the desert sun so hot, he's the smartest, toughest lawman in the land. Dr. Squibby, sheriff of science, keeps the peace with brain, not gun. Dr. Squibby, nerdy defiance, when the thinking's said and done. He'll ride that dusty trail of justice with his lab coat flowing free. Dr. Squibby's in the saddle and he's got a PhD.
Yeehaw! Dr. Squibby?
Danger calls and evil schemes unfold, a hero rises brave and bold. With science and his intellect so true, Dr. Squibby's coming through. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby!
the nerdiest hero you'll ever see. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby!
fighting crime with his PhD, with lab coat flowing, gadgets flying, no villain can escape his trying. Dr. Squibby saves the day. From classroom halls to city streets above, he battles foes with nerdy love. His calculator can stop a speeding train. His pocket protector shields from pain. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby!
the nerdiest hero you'll ever see.
Dr. Squibby! Squibby!
Fighting crime with his PhD, with lab coat flowing, gadgets flying, no villain can escape his trying. Dr. Squibby saves the day. When all seems lost and hope grows thin, just call his name and he'll rush in. A PhD in heroics, that's his way. The geekiest guy who saves the day. Dr. Squibby, chemistry. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
the hero nerds all need to meet with glasses gleaming, brainwaves blazing. No evil plot will keep him lazing. Dr. Squibby saves the day. Dr. Squibby saves the day. Squibby!
Dr. Squibby, Western thing, got his briefcase and his PhD. He ain't got spurs, but he's got something to say. Dr. Squibby's a name and justice runs free. Well, he rode in from the east with a calculator on his hip and a pocket full of pencils sharp and true. When the outlaws see him coming, they just pack up and skip, 'cause there ain't no escaping what science can do. Dr. Squibby, sheriff of science, keeps the peace with brain not gun. Dr. Squibby, nerdy defiance, when the thinking's said and done. He'll ride that dusty trail of justice with his lab coat flowing free. Dr. Squibby's in the saddle and he's got a PhD. From the sullen to the schoolhouse, when trouble's brewing hot, he'll calculate the odds and make his stand. With his glasses gleaming in the desert sun so hot, he's the smartest, toughest lawman in the land. Dr. Squibby, sheriff of science, keeps the peace with brain not gun. Dr. Squibby, nerdy defiance, when the thinking's said and done. He'll ride that dusty trail of justice with his lab coat flowing free. Dr. Squibby's in the saddle and he's got a PhD.
Yeehaw! Dr. Squibby.
schemes unfold. A hero rises brave and bold. With sign and sand, his intellect so true. Dr. Squibby's coming through. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
the nerdiest hero you'll ever see. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
fighting crime with his PhD, with lab coat flowing, gadgets flying, no villain can escape his trying. Dr. Squibby saves the day. From classroom halls to city streets above, he battles foes with nerdy love. His calculator can stop a speeding train. His pocket protector shields from pain. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
the nerdiest hero you'll ever see.
Dr. Squibby, Squibby,
Fighting crime with his PhD, with lab coat flowing, gadgets flying, no villain can escape his trying. Dr. Squibby saves the day. When all seems lost and hope grows thin, just call his name and he'll rush in. A PhD in heroics, that's his way. The geekiest guy who saves the day. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
guardian of both lab and street. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
the hero nerds all need to meet, with glasses gleaming, brainwaves blazing. No evil plot will keep him lazing. Dr. Squibby saves the day.
Okay. Yeah, it's still loud. It's quite a bit. There we go. All right, let's get back to this stuff, shall we? Open up Godot. This might be a little bit too challenging. Because it was way too easy before, and this is gonna make it really challenging. But I guess it adds importance to keeping equipment good. Xavier, how you doing? How's it going? Lucky. Welcome to the stream. We are going crazy today. Let's see. Equals 100 cost factor 50 damage equals 2500 cost factor. So equipment, I'm actually creating a game, well, attempting to. I don't have any actual like assets or anything made yet, so it's more seeing if I can figure out basics to coding. It's super exciting. It is probably not something anyone would necessarily be interested in playing, but it's like a tycoon, not quite a tycoon. You know, like game development simulator. Trying to think of some other games like that. But yeah, it's like game dev sim, but for the type of work that I do in my daily job, which is kind of cool. Like video, yeah, management sim. That's it. That's the goal. That's the end goal anyway. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. I've never made a game. I've hardly ever coded anything, so it's pretty exciting. Yeah, it should be fun. It's kind of loosely based on the history of the company that I work for, which is called Runner Space. So you start as like a solo guy, and then you build out your team. But you also like expand your capabilities throughout, so you can add production studios and things like that to your work. So I resigned already? You know it. No, I didn't. I did not resign. If only. No, I like my job though. That's why I'm that's why I'm doing this on the side. Here we go. Music's pretty chill. I should probably add like some sort of thing. It's Lo-Fi Girl, if you can believe it or not, but it's the Bossa Nova Lo-Fi radio, so it's a step up. I heard there was some controversy with her at some point. With the Lo-Fi Girl channel. Repair cost less than $10. Repair cost equals 10. Interesting. Kind of like this. Just to be fully transparent, I am using AI on this as well, which, controversial as it is, kind of the only way I'm willing to do something like this. So. And it probably will not work in the end, but we'll see. AI is pretty common nowadays. Catch is greater than or equal to repair cost. Oh, I need. Here we go. Add money. Fix it. $sign gear health bar value equals 100. Steam does have a lot of AI generated games. This is kind of like a hybrid AI generated game because I'm picking up all the concepts. It's just implementing each of them. I'm not entirely sure how to do. But I'm gonna build a baseline, and even though I'm literally looking at this, typing whatever it gives me, and then I could literally just copy paste all this and it would be a lot quicker. But I'm gonna type it. It'll teach me something, I'm sure, if not muscle memory. So if I take one thing away from this, I'm good. I'm chill. I need to. There we go. I got a broken chair. That won't stop me. And I have been able to already like go back and adjust some of the values, and it has made changes that I've thought it would. So I am able to do that now, which is kind of cool. Scripting, I guess, isn't too difficult. Though this is kind of complex. Oh. That was part of the old function that I had here. So I don't want to keep that in. By the way, you guys can fish every 10 seconds if you want. I just realized my... Why is it not working? Hold on. Oh, I caught a mussel. There we go. We should be getting, Oh, I know why. Hold on. I need to go in here. Go here. Yeah, go back in here. Ooh, 2 mussels in a row. Look at that. I guess we're just muscular like that, you know? That should be good. Couple of those streamer bot actions. What? No. No way. Stop server, start server. Refresh. Successfully. There it is. Okay. Where's he gold? It'll show up here. It'll show up here now. Here we go. Sorry, that's where I was getting it set up. Ooh. I'll take a broken sword. New record. New record for the broken sword. Okay, so we are insanely close here. Red Knob Starfish. Nice. Is that new? That is new. Okay, I'm understanding this. Status label, so .text changes what the text is that lives in that field. So .text is set to need space $, the string that happens from the repair cost. Which is calculated which is what we just calculated above. Yep. Oh. Repair cost is the exponential cost. So this is defining what the repair cost is. Meaning it's the exponential cost plus the level tax. Okay. So then this is saying, let's insert that value and then add at the end of it to repair. Sweet, okay. Gummy worms. Ew. I would not advise eating those. Just because they've been in water for a very long time. When can we play my game? Well, that's a good question. Considering this is the state of my game right now, and I'll show you. Actually, stand by. Let me let me finish up on this little quip here. But considering the state of my game right now, I would guess a couple years, maybe, until I reach a quality that I like, that I would want. I know it's a first game, so it's not going to be good. It won't be good at all. So tamper your expectations right now. It's a first game made by somebody who doesn't know coding. Even early access, absolutely. Are you kidding me? I don't even have a... Hold on. Here we go. This is what it is right now. This is it. I don't have assets, like I said. So this is just like a built-in button. And all you do is hit this. Progress bar goes whoosh. We're live on the Hollywood Hurdle Night. Hold on. We got 46 viewers. Here we go. 46. Eventually I'm gonna have like a full recap of the stream to see the quality of it. And we'll have like expected viewers versus how many we got. So there's like good ones, bad ones, you know. So that's great. That's fine. And then so now my gear health is down to 93. Pairs $50. Not too bad. Could be worse, you know. I'm gonna hit it. And now repairs nothing, right? So you have to keep up on equipment repairs. Gotta keep our shows looking nice. This is just basic stats about our broadcast, which now that I think about it, bitrate and delay, like that's more technical stuff. We don't necessarily need to include that in the game, but you know, it's changes being made as I go, which is pretty fun. Okay. D-grade gear. So yeah, I need to make one quick modification to D-grade gear here. Else. Update health bar. Yep, so now I need to update the price tag on the button, because right now it isn't doing it, which makes sense. Okay. So update health bar. What's the line? What have you got? You got a branch. That's close. That's close to a legendary. That's like top 10, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, that is top 10. Right. If statement. Estimated cost is less than 10. Estimated cost. Equals 10. Compare button dot text equals compare money plus okay, let's see if this functions how I want. It does not. Hold on. Damage declared. What there is? What's the other one? $13. $209. Well, there's variable damage amount. Oh. Okay. This could be where AI is just like unable to keep up with the code, which happens quite a bit. Or do I have duplicate code in here? Oh. This is the... Yeah. Why damage? Let's see. AI, analyze this, please. Because this is not right. It's sabotaging me. You want to make code that lets you type in chat fish every 30 seconds but have no brain cells for coding? Hey, AI. It'll do it for you. It'll use Python. It'll get it done. That's easy enough. It's just a timer and then some text input. No problem. You'd be the greatest fisherman of all time. Okay, so let me check out. Calculate damage. Okay, so let's change all of that to lost health here. Because I thought I needed that one, and it turns out I did. So now let's see. Every time we do that, we've got lost health, and our repair cost should go... Right. No, 12 makes sense, because it's... Now if I do a second one, though, it should go up exponentially. Which, we'll see. 19... Okay, first repair is pretty cheap. 32. So we'll get a repair in there. Waiting to level up. What are you gonna catch? Oh. Hey, that's an epic. 131 gold? Nothing wrong with that. I just double your gold. Alright, so now I need to see what happens once we get to level 2. Okay, so repair cost is $32. I'm going to repair. 24 is the base now. The lower we get on health, the more it costs to repair. It's good. Okay. And with this cash, right now, I don't have anything to buy, essentially. So that's where, once we do get cash, we'll buy more Remy Sweets, which will allow us to do multiple needs. And I feel like having some form of automation in this, so you don't have to keep clicking this button each time. Hey, how's it going, Deep Web Impact? Welcome to my super awesome game, where time is flying. It's already been 2 years within this game. Feel free to fish, if you like. That date is actually, it is intentional. Thank you. Yeah, they're good. They're really good headphones. They're, Sennheisers. Eee. Not the catch I wanted. Not the catch I wanted. Press play to start game? Oh my goodness. It's that button. Are these the 660s? They might be the 660s. I think they are. Yeah, they are the 660s. You're right. Oh, it wants to rename this one to damage amount. Sure, I'll do that. Yeah, 560s. Yeah, 560s. Damage amount won't work either. Oh, nice. You have the R50X. Nice. Yeah, Audio-Technica makes some pretty solid headphones. Trigger game over. Oh. What the hell? Really, you found Sennheiser to be more bassy. Interesting. I found it to be less bassy. At least on these headphones. I also have have a pair of what are they? Hi-Fi Man Sundaras as well, which are really good headphones. They're a little bit more punchy because they're planar magnetic. Alright, let's see a game over here. I'd say it depends, yeah. I just think they're a little bit more versatile. They can listen to a lot of different genres. I will say, soundstage on these is the best I've ever heard in a pair of headphones. Soundstage and just clarity of everything. It's really nice. Xavier Castelline. What do we have going on? Ooh. The traffic cone. Could've been better. Could've been better. Deep Web Impact, Castle Line. Let's see what you got. Triggerfish. Alright. 79 gold. Solid catch. Very solid catch. Here, I'll join you guys. I'll fish a little bit. See what I get. Right, here we go. I'm gonna pivot this game a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little bit more automated, so you don't have to keep hitting that button. And it's more management style. So right now this is a clicker sim, right? And I want this gear health to be going down as time goes on. I wanna keep an eye on that repair button, and then you'll expand. You'll add employees, and then you'll get that money up, right? So let's go add node. I want it to be a check button. I don't think I want it to be a switch. I want it to just happen. I'm going to be approached by... It's crazy that the game RimWorld was made with by one person. It's just insane. I'm sure there's more people working on the game now. It's just gonna be a pixel art. I've got a friend of mine that's into graphic design. And he's gonna do a bunch of stuff for it, which will be sweet. Potentially. I'm not gonna force him. And if he doesn't want to do stuff, then the game it'll look worse because it'll be me doing the art, and that's okay. You're gonna have like different coaches that'll approach you, and then for like the idea right now, we're on F tier meets, as you can see, F tier events, and then the idea for the later game, this is silly. The idea for the later game is the idea for the later game is to go up to higher level meets and then work in contracts and then be able to like upgrade your equipment and have like, you can add like extra TVs to rooms and things like that. The end goal for it, I haven't really got there yet. Like the end all be all. I guess it's maxing out your skill tree. Potentially. Yes. Yeah, there will definitely be random events that make it a lot more challenging. Okay, let's see. Quicker to manager sim. We'll sign a contract. Okay. Oh, whoops. Here we go. Nice. Broken sword. Great catch, Deepwood. Working your way up the leaderboard. No, I want this to be label. And I want to rename this to points label. How is GD script? I like it. I think it's good. It makes sense based on the way the game engine or the Godot engine runs, and it's well implemented with it. It's not too challenging, and it's built off of Python, so it's more friendly, in my opinion, for like newer people like me to get into. Where's my game? There it is. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, somebody's playing Dead by Daylight. I wonder who that could be. Couldn't be Lucky. Before touching the code, you must create the physical controls in your scene. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. No. Where did I just type? Oh. Probably just broke something critical. Gear stats is kind of a silly concept. Perks works. Perks works. Let's have that be up here instead. Okay, I'm gonna make this smaller. And have it live over on the side now instead. This is super exciting, everyone. Alright, Xavier, what you got? Got a pipe? 8 gold. These is tasty. Hey, you know, you can't win them all. Whoops. I need this, and then I need to rename it to them. Alright, here we go. Roll on the dice. What are we getting? Come on. Ooh. Alright, shellfish. New record? I'll take it. I'll take it. By the way, just so everyone's aware, these are the leaderboards as of right now. Just so everyone's aware. I've been fishing. Good catch, hermit crab. Okay. Yeah, to see the two gold. What? Okay. 57. We haven't caught a koi yet, so that's a good catch. Well done. Okay, let's go to the script. We need more variables. Biggest catch so far? Here, I can show you. In the leaderboards, it also shows catches. I've had a great white shark for 426 gold. A pink rubber ducky for 406 gold. That was by Zenesis. I don't take credit for that one. Joel the sturgeon for 289 gold. Alex caught an old PC for 220 gold. I got an Eagle Ray, and then Alex got another old PC. And DuckDuckGold. I like DuckDuckGold. That's a good one. That might be my favorite catch so far. Ooh, my first bracket. This is exciting. $97 gold. That's pretty good. That's not bad. 474. I need to hold on. I need to catch up. I need to maintain my lead. Ooh. Frontosa Chicklid? Is that what that is? That's pretty cool. Alright. Give you guys a chance? Okay. Alright. Tell you what. I won't fish until 7:30. It's 7:05 my time right now. I won't fish until 7:30. You got a chance. Good luck. I'll even step away for a moment. I'll step away for a moment. You guys can continue fishing. I'll be back. You got a watch? That's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna grab a quick snack. I'll be back to you guys. Hold on. Did I see that correctly? 652 gold in one catch? That's insane. What are we doing? That's the single luckiest thing I think I've ever seen in my life. You're getting some just like, you know, solid, nothing wrong with them catches. So. How to bike. Okay. It's a classic. All right. I had to. And I said I wouldn't. Okay. All right. That's it. I deserve it. I deserve it. Nice blue discus. That sponge could have been better. The sponge could have been better. But, you know, you need to wash off after a good bike ride with your bike you caught, so at least you have that. Oh, let me get the webcam back. The fish fillet burger. It's not a bad catch. Okay, nice blue discus. Okay, so we're there. Manager queue, that's where we were. It's remaining. Okay, let's go to gain XP. Right. XP. Oh my goodness. That's a good catch. Moorish idol. Count Quackula. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm all for that one. Olive Ridley turtle. Hey now. Alright, I'll give you another 10 minutes. Give you another 10 minutes. Since I cheated, I'll give you another 10 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna have to rewrite a lot of this code, unfortunately. I got this. I know I got this. It'll be fine. Cause I don't have a time limit on this. So I could finish it in 20 years. Totally fine. Emperor Angelfish. Come on. Okay. This. Yep, that makes sense. Just to speed that process up. Figured might as well paste that since I already typed it. So what this is doing, it's adding D tier logic, and I'm moving all my contract tier logic into a different script. That's what the manager tells it to do. You guys are really efficient. Black spotted grunt. New record. All for a new record. Okay, now we've been through messy logic and replacing it with this connection. At the node, an in-game scene, and a generic node. Oh, add a generic node. Okay. Main game .gd. Pretty sure I want to go in here and just do this. All right, we got 6 minutes left, and then I'm back at it. Funny metal tubes. They're funny though. They're funny. Ooh, we got a tiger shark. Nice catch. Well done. Hey, nothing wrong with a good trout. Smoked trout? Come on. There we go, okay. It just wasn't. It hadn't been refreshed. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so starting. Electric catfish. Hey now. That's a good catch. Good with 2K, you're gonna rest for now? Okay. Alright. I'm just getting started. I'm just saying. I'm just getting started. Hermit crab. Not a bad catch. I'll take it. Can't complain. All right, we gotta go for 3,000. We gotta go. We gotta get there. Let's get this going. Soda can. It's crazy that I didn't hit 3,000 on that. We gotta hit it here, right? What's the finish fish? I'll take a finish fish. Not to be confused with Swedish fish. Let me see what this is really quick. Okay. Payout. There we go. 3,057. What did I catch? Oh yeah, the finish fish. We get a koi. We still don't have a reason to have cash. All back. Kind of official. You got some funny metal tubes over there. Hey, wait a minute, that's my watch. What do we have going on here? Hold on a second. $9 gold. You can't even eat the gummy worms. Okay. That's solid, that's solid. I hate the word receiver. I hate the word receive. What am I doing right now? I'm organizing this so it calls all of the functions that I need. It's just tidying up, essentially. This is adding a second level of meat that you can do. So the idea is we're producing a bunch of like track and field meats, right? And this adds another level of meat that you can do, but you have to unlock it. You have to use a perk point to get there. So it's super simple, super early game stuff right now. But that's a good catch. 527? Something good. I think you guys have the best and the second best items right now. Which is Let me confirm that. Yeah. Best and second best. Until? I can't even eat those. What are we doing? 11 gold for those, though. I'll take it. Alright, when the progress bar finishes, main game tells the contract manager, okay, I finished the show, update your account. Yep. What did I catch? Ooh. Xavier, you caught a sunfish? Jeez, you're coming back. A nugget? Hate to hear it. That is a typo. All right. Right. $29.02. You're catching up. My goodness. All right, Xavier. Once I'm done with this this little bit of code here, this little section, you want to play a game of chess? Quick game of chess? Okay, okay. Kind of good to break all this up every now and then. You need to go eat lunch first. Okay, yeah, sounds good. I get a trolley. All right. So let me read through this code. I just pasted in really quick. So when that button is pressed, it changes that to be true. Check Check if we should enable the unlock button. Change the text to show points and then adds the perk points after that. Check if we should enable the unlock button. If unlock tiers D, need level 3. Nice. Okay, yeah, that all makes sense. Open perks button. That makes sense. Press unlock button. So I need that to say sign local contract. So this repair logic doesn't make any sense, because you'd always want to repair when it's there. So it costs the least. So I want to do this then. I want to change base repair cost to be 100 instead. Lost health. Gear level times 10. And I want this to be plus 100 as well. And now let's see. So that way it starts at 100 and then, yeah. So that way you can't just... Okay. And I want this to just say repair at the start. Actually, repair should be a flat rate. We'll say flat rate 200 to start. So let's go back into that logic here. Main game. And that script. Yeah, let's go 200. So that way you're scraping the barrel to try and get through. This should be here. Now I want to change that too. Oh. I don't have a way to close out of that menu. Where is the close perks button? Just putting the X in there. So how much was the local meat contract? It was 15, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 15. Okay, so we have to make it through some more. Okay, so I don't think... Yeah, this balance doesn't quite work. I want this to be back at 100 base. Yeah, back at 100. let's try that too. Just because the more damage, I still want the repair to be more expensive. Alright, now let's see. Okay, repair is 110. Okay, yeah, that's almost all the cash. Season complete, ready for new contract. 196 viewers. So at the end of a season, we can, nice. It's a regional tour. Let's try this. I don't know why I'm waiting. Let me speed it up. Okay, let's repair. Need 293 to repair. What do I need 293 to repair? Is that not 293 to repair? Oh, there's... Yeah, let's check each of these. Yeah, that's not quite right. Oh, this should be... There we go. Let's see how much money it actually costs here. Per cost 71. Okay. So what is printing out to the status label? Okay. Exponential cost. Damage amount times damage amount. Okay, so I should just be having this be exponential cost. And that rather than the actual math. That's just silly. Oh well, okay. Let's do like 1 there though. Then let's go back up here. To my variables. Now let's see. Okay, repair says 210. I'm surviving. Okay. This is gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. I think 175 maybe with this math. Wait, there it said repair cost 74. Let's leave it there. Calculate how broke it is. 10 damage equals 100 cost factor. 50 damage equals 2500 cost factor. Okay. Minimum charge of $10 for calling the technician. Change that to 100. Yeah, maybe if I change that value to 100, it'll do it. Let's go back in here and save and test. Is all right, I think that's gonna do it for now. I'm gonna figure this one out at another time. That'll do it for now. Appreciate you guys. I will be back on sometime again soon, hopefully.
Danger calls and evil schemes unfold. A hero rises brave and bold. With Simon sad, his intellect so true. Dr. Squibby's coming through. Dr. Squibby,
Squibby,
the nerdiest hero you'll ever see.
Dr. Squibby, Squibby,
Fighting crime with his PhD, with lab coat flowing, gadgets flying, no villain can escape his trying. Dr. Squibby saves the day from class